Natis 2 floating container at a starboard bow.
Get the position of the containers and broadcast a safety message on channel 12 immediately.
Copy that, Cap. Security, security, security. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2. Motor vessel Calapan. Call sign Alpha, Bravo, November, Delta. We have observed 2 floating containers at position 1, 2 degree, 3, 4 minutes north, 4, 5 degree, 5, 6 minutes east. They are potential hazard to navigate. Miners are advised to navigate with caution. I repeat, 2 floating containers at position 1, 2 degree, 3, 4 minute north, 4, 5 degree, 5, 6 minute east, drifting. This is MVC Peril, standing by on channel 12, over and out.
This is Cadet Pipito reporting that there is an alarm triggered in the staying console.
Engine room. This is the bridge. Over.
Bridge, this is the engine room. Go ahead, over.
We are experiencing an issue with the steering gear. It's not responding to commands from the bridge. Please investigate immediately. Over. Currently, the vessel is unable to maintain its intended course. Confirm if the hydraulic system and power supply to the steering gear are functioning. Over.
Bridge, this is the engine room. Acknowledge. We will check the steering gear and report back shortly.
Acknowledge standing by on this channel. Over. Pan. All station, all station, all station. This is 23456782. Motor vessel Calapan. Call sign Alpha, Bravo, November, Delta. Our position 36 degree, 43.2 minutes north, 146 degree, 36.8 minutes east. We have received that the vessel is currently experiencing a steering gear malfunctioning. We are unable to maintain its intended course.
This is Cadet Mauran. I caught fire on the ship's stern and spreading right now. No casualties has been heard and we're waiting for more instruction.
Fire has been reported in the stern part of the ship. Dispatch the fire team to the scene.
The fire is continuous spreading.
Shipmate, prepare for sending distress signal. We will abandon the ship.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is MV Calapan, MV Calapan, MV Calapan. MMSI 234562. Position 36 degrees, 43.2 minutes north, 146 degrees, 36.8 minutes east. My vessel is on fire. I require immediate assistance. Over.